Let's go through this. These are kind of long equations, so let's try and solve these by order of operations. Now remember, we have to use BEDMAS or BIDMAS, PIDMAS, whatever. I use BEDMAS, so BEDMAS. So this is the brackets. These are exponents, right? Little power to. This is division and multiplication, whichever one comes first, reading left to right, and the same with addition and subtraction. So let's apply that here. So there's no brackets here, but there is, and there's no exponents in this first one, but there is multiplication. So I'm just going to bracket these multiplication parts right there. So this here is 10 times 2 is 20. This here is 28. And now it's just addition and subtraction in the order that they occur. So here we have 20 minus 28. So 20 minus 28 is minus 8. Plus 7 minus 1. So plus 7 is minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. So minus 2 is the final answer. Over here, we do have brackets and we do have exponents. So we've got to do the brackets first. So that's 13. Then we have to square it. So whatever's in the brackets, we have to square. So 13 times 13. So that's going to be 9. 3 times 1 is 3. Hold the place. I'm finished with that guy. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. And so we get 169. So we know the value of these brackets in the power of 2 is, sorry, I've just done this wrong. It's 169, is 169. So that's that bit. I've got multiplication here, so that's 32. And that's plus, that's that plus there. So that's finished, and it's 1 plus. So 1 plus 32 is 33. And 33 plus 169, what is that? As we'll do it like this. So 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer there is 202. And we're up to the last one here. So again, it makes it nice and easy. I've got some brackets. So let's do the brackets. That's 14. 8 minus 2 is 6. So that's finished. So 14 times 6 minus, what's 7 sevens? That's 49. Okay, so 14 times 6, we have to find the value of that. So that's 24. And 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And so we now know that that is worth 84. And it's 84 minus 49. So let's find out what the value is there. 4 times 9 we can't do, we got to borrow. So 14 minus 9 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. So the final answer is 35.